Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips M0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. First, power off your HP Pavilion 15-inch BC450NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the upgrade. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips M0 screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could break the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the M.2 SSD slot. It is usually near the center of the motherboard. If you don't see it immediately, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Once located, you will see a small screw securing the SSD in place. Remove this screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Now, gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you are replacing an old SSD, make sure to handle it carefully to avoid any data loss. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the upgrade process. Next, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old SSD. Once it is securely in place, press it down gently and replace the screw to hold it in position. Before reassembling your laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling for your laptop. Now, carefully replace the back panel of your laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. If you're unsure about any step or prefer a hassle-free experience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll handle everything for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or S key. Check if the new SSD is recognized. If everything looks good, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore your data from a backup. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded your HP Pavilion 50BC450NS with a new M.2 SSD. Enjoy the enhanced speed and performance of your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.